Yo, what's up everyone? So today I made something amazing. Motion time-lapse using Arduino. Follow me on Instagram, that is blue.butterflyofficial2000, and stay connected. So let's see how to make it. Let's get started. All you need is a smartphone, a 12-volt DC stepper motor, and a mobile holder, a motor driver sheet for Arduino. Here's the circuit diagram of the connections. So for recording you need a time spirit app. The link is in the description. You can check it out. So let's go to the rooftop and make something amazing. Here's the time lapse I made. For more Arduino projects, subscribe to my channel. And do a like, share or subscribe. That's all. Thanks for watching.